Do a show tonight.
Why, Mom? I'm just waiting to kill this guy.
Congratulations, Mom! We're sorry, Mom. But this was the only way that we could afford this vacation. Well, that's the thing, that it's not a vacation. Well, this is all I got to say. It's a vacation for you two.
Well, thank you for watching, and I hope you like my food. Please subscribe. Bye.